If programming an autonomous vehicle to play a video game while learning all of Python sounds like it would be exciting to your students, then we've got something to talk about. Hi, my name is Corbin Fonville, and I'm the founder of Skillquest. We teach how to code using video games, and this program teaches using one of my personal favorites, Rocket League. With no downloads or extra installs, your students get to learn Python by programming an autonomous vehicle to play the game Rocket League, which is sort of like soccer with cars. And they'll be able to do it right from their web browser. Not only will they program their car, but they'll actually get to compete nationally against peers who are going through the same course. The self-paced video course walks your students through each of the 7 object-oriented programming fundamentals step by step in short videos. The course covers CSTA and APCS2 standards, and students will learn the concepts on their own and then learn to apply them to their project in a unique way. As they make improvements to their projects, students will have the opportunity to compete in Skillquest-hosted tournaments live streamed for viewers with real commentators. Scholarship opportunities are also available for those who submit thoughtful write-ups about their experiences. As this is project-based learning, the students will be encouraged to explore and create along the way, with a unique creation challenge in each module that will differentiate their projects from other students and access higher-order learning objectives. At the end of the course, not only will your students have learned all of the programming skills in Python, but they'll have created a project that they have a unique ownership of. Now, if you've reached the end of this video and you think this is something that your students could love, then please join me on this journey of inspiration, education, and engagement.